I'm Paco, and this is Osa the Rover.
This week on Osa the Rover.
Picking music. Off by an inch. Ups and down.
So I returned the 1-ton engine stand to Harbor Freight, and thankfully the return policy is awesome, and we were able to get it swapped out for a 1,000-pound stand pretty quickly. And they even helped me load it in, which was nice. So by this time you're probably wondering what the hell this has to do with a Land Rover, because all you've seen me do is put together Harbor Freight crap. Trust me, there really is a Land Rover behind all of this, and this is all just steps to get ready. Prepare to prepare, I guess you could say.
Now that I have the right engine stand, my bolts are too long, so we're just going to try and rock out.
To be honest, I'm actually quite a bit further along than I thought that I would be. Having zero knowledge of what the hell I'm doing makes it hard to keep inertia going sometimes. Any progress is good progress in my book. So hopefully we'll get new bolts and get this thing on the stand, and next week I'll have something a little more meaty.